Now that you have received your new Best Home Furnishings chair, begin by opening the box, peeling the tape from the top of the box. Do not use a sharp object to cut the tape. This could damage the chair. Remove the bag from the base of the chair and the back of the chair. Place the back in the seat of the chair. You will notice the male bracket on the back and the female bracket on the base. Make sure you slide the male end of the bracket inside the female end of the bracket for a secure connection. Notice if the male end of the bracket does not go perfectly into the female end, the back could become loose. Make sure you firmly push down on the back to wedge the brackets together for a secure connection. Enjoy your new swivel chair.